Example 13 on page 417. Simplify x minus a divided by 8 minus x. Solution. Now, as you see, the numerator is x minus a, denominator is a minus x. They're very similar, right? The only thing different is that this is x minus a, this is a minus x. Now, x minus a and a minus x, they are opposites of each other. It means if you multiply, or actually, if you factor out -1 to, let's say, you pick this first one, you factor out -1. Now, -1 times what? Equal to x. Got to be negative x, right? -1 times negative x is positive x. -1 times what? Equal to -a. Got to be plus a, right? Because -1 times 8 is -8. Now, if I rewriting, let me copy this here. If I'm rewriting this term, okay, -1 you can simplify as just negative here. If I'm switching the position, a go here, negative x go here. Do you see that? Start off a minus 8, right? I factor out -1. Rewriting the two terms, I get a minus x with the negative sign outside. A minus x is similar to a minus x right here. This is x minus 8 in the numerator. If I factor out -1, I will get a minus x inside with negative sign outside. A minus x is the denominator. So another way of saying is that this term, x minus a, is the opposites, because negative sign are opposites of the a minus x. Okay? So let me rewriting this numerator, x minus a, in terms of the other one. So I would have, let me write this on the side, okay? Negative a minus x. Okay, x minus a equal negative a minus x, okay? Check this out. Alright. X minus a, replace x minus a with negative parenthesis a minus x. Okay? Divide by a minus x. Okay? Check this out. Alright. Now, factor out the common factor in the numerator and denominator. And you see, numerator have a minus x. Denominator also have a minus x. Look like we can factor this out. Okay? So you factor out a minus x on top. The remaining is, usually 1, right? But don't forget this -1. So the remaining is -1. Factor a minus x here to the bottom, denominator. What's remaining is 1. There's no negative side, okay? You can check what you got here. Takes a minus x, okay, times -1. You would get -1 here, times a minus x here. A minus x times 1 is a minus x. So you know you got the correct factors. Alright. Continue here. Simplify. A minus x divided a minus x is 1. They're a factor of 1. It is a factor of 1. So 1 times -1 divided by 1 is -1. 1 times -1 is -1. So the answer is -1 for simplifying this rational expression, x minus a divided by a minus x.